Hello everyone, hope all of you are doing well and I am also good. My name is Nikita Kumari and first of all I have completed my 75 minutes daily task and extremely sorry to all of you because in those days I not making video. I do not making video because some problem. So guys, welcome to my YouTube channel English World Easy. And yes, English is really easy in my opinion and in my experience. So guys, today is a very important question that grammar is important to speak English, learn English. Grammar is important or not for spoken English. So guys, I think the I think the answer is grammar is important. Yes, grammar is important. But one condition, grammar is not important too deeply for spoken English. You know, ग्रामर जरूरी है स्पोकन इंग्लिश के लिए बट डीपली नहीं, ग्रामर में डूब नहीं जाना है. ओके, आई होप यू अंडरस्टूड एंड you also speak in English without keeping knowledge of grammar. But some knowledge of grammar is very important for your journey of English spoken. Some grammar rules is very important for your English spoken, and this is my honest experience. If you don't keep knowledge of grammar, about of grammar, you can also speak in English. And grammar is the also part of spoken English. And in my opinion, your beginner time when you start speaking in English, then you don't focus on grammar. Yes, you try to focus on your listening, try to focus on your speaking, try to focus on your writing. Okay? And when people is zero for spoken English, sorry, to spoken English, then first of all you focus your vocab, word meaning, vocab, word meaning. So guys, you try try to focus on your listening, try to focus on your speaking, try to focus on your writing, your started phrase. Okay guys, and don't worry, lack of knowledge of grammar, you also speak in English, but in your starting phase, first of all you need to learn something, vocab, time and tense, items, phrases, phrase. Yes, daily use sentences, WH family, models. This is the part of grammar, and this is some rules of grammar are used in your speaking English. You know. So guys, grammar is important, but not your starting phase. Okay, on your starting phase, you only focus on your daily wise sentence, speaking, listening, and reading. And I do also mistake in translation. You know. So in grammar is जो ग्रामर है वो आपका ट्रांसलेशन सही करता है. सो ग्रामर इसके लिए बहुत ही ज़रूरी होता है. यू नो. सो ट्रांसलेशन इज़ वेरी इम्पॉर्टेंट, and translation is not correct without grammar. You know, it is the main topic. In my experience, you learn daily wise vocab. I am not telling you that 500, 100, 20, 50 vocabulary, but at least you learn daily 5, 10. This is your daily practice of your speaking English, and your set word meaning in your mind. Okay guys, you have to watch cartoon, English video, and in my experience, I want to say you that in YouTube available the best channel for your improvement your speaking English. This is the fairy tales in English. This is the best channel for me. You can also search and try this. Okay, so guys, I hope this is the helpful video all of you. That's all. Thank you.